Good morning, guys. Myself, Dr. Swarupa, Associate Professor of CSC Department, Aditya Engineering College. Let us discuss about the course Computer Network. And today's topic is let us try to understand what is CN and its applications. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to explain what is a computer network and what are its applications. So let us see the definition part of computer network. Computer network is defined as set of nodes connected together by communication links for the purpose of sharing resources. Let us see the terms of this definition. Nodes are nothing but computer or a printer, a server, a laptop, mobile or any kind of computing device can be a node. A communication link which is connecting these nodes can be connected with a wired or a wireless connection. And also you can define a computer network is collection of interconnected autonomous systems. Interconnection is nothing but the systems are able to exchange the messages and they are individually, it is not depending on any other system for computing or storage facilities. I repeat, a computer network can be defined as set of nodes connected together by the links for the purpose of sharing resources. A computer network is also defined as collection of interconnected autonomous systems. Let us see about uses of computer network. So part of this business applications, home applications and mobile applications for mobile users will see. Part of business applications in today's world, lot of companies are using substantial number of computers and with the facilities of networking to share their resources. The business people are using emails, desktop sharing, remote connectivity, and also for sharing their resources, files, and other kind of data. So for all of these, computer network is mandatory. So let us see basically how this usage has been started. So multiple number of clients are connecting to a network here and this network is connecting to a server. If you look at here, the client is nothing but a browser, simply to say, maybe a Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla, any kind of browser. So here this is what a client system. Internally, a client process has been written here, so which carries a user request with the connectivity of a network and forwards to a server. So the server, as the name it indicates, it offers the services back to the client. So this is basically a client server model and we can understand how multiple clients are connecting to a network and handling with the server. And if you look at into a client system, internally a client machine is consisting a client process, which is a written program again. Similarly, a server here. This client server model basically works depending on request reply paradigm. The client machine, internally the client process carries the user inputs as a HTTP request and transfers to the server machine here. The server machine is process that request and it is offers whatever the services required for this request and sends the reply back to the client process. So this is what actually a client server model, how multiple number of clients are connecting to the network and connecting to the server to receive the services, part of business applications. And still computer network is also used for home applications. If you look at here, different kind of users are connecting various kind of computers. People may be using the laptops or desktops or PDAs, whatever it is the end computing device. So peer to peer system connectivity means here there is no fixed client, there is no fixed server. So any system can act as a client when it requires some data, and any kind of system can act as a server when it is having the content which has been requested by the client systems. So in this peer-to-peer system, so anyone can share the data with any other system and also can request for something and also can offer for some content. So these kind of applications usually see provided for home application. And still for the home applications, a lot of e-commerce applications can be considered here. If you see here the tags B2C, business to consumer, so some kind of business person make it available their products at the online and the consumer can purchase it. So one of the typical example here is ordering the books online. And business to business. So the business person can make it available via the network whatever they having the products and other business person can order it. And similarly G2C, government to consumer. See, a tax forms electronically the government make it available and the consumers or all other persons can pay it. And consumer to consumer, see applications, so such kind of auctioning and all, and peer to peer sharing the data, audio file, video file and all. So these are the kind of electronic commerce forms which are part of home applications. So for this also a computer network can be used. See, as of now, we have seen mobile, business applications, and also we have seen home applications. And now let us see how mobile applications are part of the computer network. For this typical kind of mobile users, so there are various kind of applications are there, and at the back end, those can be provided with the services of wireless networks or mobile computing services. Let us see here a desktop computers in offices, how they are sharing the data and all may not be required any kind of wireless network, may not be required any kind of mobile. And if you see in a private room or in a private hotel room, a notebook computer is using, maybe required a mobile computing facilities, not required any kind of wireless network. And if you look at here in unwired building, no physical infrastructure support is there, but still a wireless network can be able to provide the services to share the resources or to transfer the data. And if you look at store inventory with a handheld computer, so you can use the wireless networks as well as mobile computing facilities here. So it is comes under just like a mobile ad hoc network. So you can share the data here. So these are some kind of mobile users, so how they are using part of computer network. And as of now, we have seen what is basically a computer network as well as its applications.